Welcome, aspiring professionals and corporate leaders, to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's not just a buzzword, but a game changer in the world of business and career advancement. Cultivating a growth mindset. Understanding the growth mindset. So what exactly is a growth mindset? Well, it's more than just positive thinking. It's a mindset that thrives on challenges, sees failures as opportunities for growth, and believes in the power of continuous learning and improvement. Illustration showing two mindsets: fixed versus growth. Imagine you're faced with a setback at work. A project didn't go as planned. Someone with a fixed mindset might see this as a reflection of their abilities, leading to self-doubt and avoidance of similar challenges in the future. But someone with a growth mindset sees it as a chance to learn, adapt, and come back stronger. Embracing challenges. One of the hallmarks of a growth mindset is embracing challenges. In the corporate world, challenges are inevitable. Whether it's adapting to new technologies, navigating organizational changes, or tackling complex problems. Success stories from professionals who embraced challenges. Take it from successful professionals who've been there. They didn't let challenges hold them back. Instead, they saw them as opportunities to stretch their skills, broaden their perspectives, and ultimately, achieve greater success. Learning from failure. Failure. It's a word that sends shivers down the spine of many professionals. But here's the thing. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone to success, especially when approached with a growth mindset. Failure is not falling down but refusing to get up. When you view failure as feedback rather than a verdict on your abilities, you open yourself up to invaluable lessons that propel you forward. In the corporate world, resilience in the face of failure is a trait that sets high achievers apart. Cultivating a culture of growth. Now, it's not just about individuals adopting a growth mindset. It's about fostering a culture that encourages and supports it. In a corporate environment, leaders play a crucial role in shaping this culture. Whether it's providing constructive feedback, celebrating effort and progress, or creating opportunities for continuous learning, leaders have the power to cultivate an environment where everyone can thrive and reach their full potential. So, dear viewers, as you embark on your journey to success in the corporate world, remember this: your mindset matters. By embracing challenges, learning from failure, and cultivating a culture of growth, you're not just setting yourself up for success, you're paving the way for long-term growth and fulfillment. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on personal and professional development. Until next time, keep cultivating that growth mindset, and remember, the sky's the limit.